Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Based on the Andrew Carnegie formula for money making, the Master Key to Riches describes in step-by-step detail today's greatest practical philosophy of success. This amazing philosophy, culled from the success experiences of hundreds of the world's most powerful and wealthy men, will show you how to succeed in any walk of life. The Master Key to Riches consists entirely in the greatest power known to man, the power of thought. You may take full possession of the Master Key by taking possession of your own mind, through the strictest of self-discipline. Napoleon Hill, The Master Key to Riches. As I stated in another review of Napoleon Hill's works, most of the wealthy, billionaires, millionaires all make reference or recommend Napoleon Hill's works. In fact, it was Andrew Carnegie who commissioned Napoleon to take on the mission of bringing the laws of success to mankind. There are gold nuggets throughout this book, but all in all, Napoleon Hill shows us how our thoughts direct our lives like a rudder on a ship. Another great guide on how to use your mind, but where Tagore focuses the supernatural made banal powers of thought. This book stresses a healthy ego as the powerhouse of all willful and subconscious activities. I think this book balances the philosophy and helps make it practically understandable. Excellent book giving guidance on how to be truly successful, i.e., internally and externally. I believe Augmendino was inspired by Napoleon Hill when he wrote The Greatest Miracle in the World. This is by far the best and most profound book I have ever read. I will definitely reread it at least 3 to 4 times per year from now on, simply because the lessons are too good to just passively read once or twice. I have never been so excited to reread a book and review my notes as I am about this book. This is truly revelational knowledge that will take anyone in any endeavor to new heights if properly applied. This was a phenomenal mindset book, as well as a master course in people skills. I really look forward to reading Think and Grow Rich soon after this.